Yo, it's Evan from Octane Electrons. Okay, we're going to check out the KSPEAKER motorcycle handlebar speaker. I wanted one of these that was easy to move. I could move it between bikes and use it in the summer. So this one looks pretty rad. We're going to check this out. This is the KSPEAKER, like I said. Handlebar mounted, 2 clamps, easy controls. I'll show you. Here, let me get it out of the box. It comes well packaged. In foam cutout here, you can see. Just a second. Okay, there we go. So here's the unit. Large speaker assembly. You can see easy buttons. We have power, menu, and left and right, and those serve for volume and skip. And then, or mode, sorry, not menu. We can change between modes, Bluetooth, USB drive, and radio. And what's cool is it'll even play off of a USB thumb drive, and it comes with one here with some music on it, which is awesome. It started playing, I was testing it earlier before doing a video, and it starts playing the Eagles right away. I think I will have to unplug that, though, because I don't want to get a copyright strike on my video. But it sounds amazingly good, so we're going to put it on the bike and check it out again. But the volume and clarity is pretty rad. I was really stoked on this. So you can see the... all the side mounts are adjustable, includes an Allen key and all. You can adjust the kind of pivot on these brackets. And then the brackets themselves, or not the bracket, the handlebar clamp is ball mounted. So you can really easily adjust this however you want on your bars. Okay, so I like that. And it's fairly heavy. And you'll see it it sounds good. It's amazing. All right, so then plug-in's super simple, just a standard SAE plug. Which I already have on my bike. We're going to test it on my Honda. It'll probably end up on one of my Harleys or something, but I have my Honda XR. We're going to put it on for fun now that I have ready to go. Includes a long wiring harness with battery ring terminals, as you can see, a fuse, and then SAE plug. So if you don't have one on the bike already, or you want a longer one or different one, includes it. And then otherwise, we have some zip ties for your wiring. Spare parts are, what's nice, they give you a whole set of extra screws. You know, on a bike, you can have this stuff rattle loose, so it's pretty nice. Give you a complete set of extra screws for all the brackets, as well as fuses and handlebar shims, rubber shims for your handlebar clamps. And then, you can see them there, and then all the different size Allen keys that you need. So, everything you need. Here's the user manual. Really simple, because, the hookup is just the battery plug. So you can see it tells you everything they give you that we just went through. Your connection is basically connect to the battery and plug in the SAE plug. So you can easily turn the thing off. It's not going to turn off with your key, but you can turn it off easily with the power button on the unit, or you can unplug the port. Okay. Pretty easy. Disassemble the bracket, line it up on your handlebars, install your mounting brackets, attach it to the body, kind of rotate everything the way you like, tighten it down. So easy. See, operating voltage 10 to 16 volts, standard for a motorcycle. Standby current, very low, less than 2 milliamps. And yeah. Okay, and then there's our buttons. Power button. So let's look at them real fast. Make sure I have it the right way. Power, back, forward, and menu or mode. Yeah, mode, sorry, not menu. So power, as you can see, short press to turn on, long press to shut down. You can press it, a short press to mute it. Or if you're in Bluetooth mode, so you can mute it in USB or radio mode. Bluetooth mode, you can pause with it. Previous, skip back or change radio station, or you can long press to decrease volume. Display shows you what's going on. Next is the opposite. Go next to search radio station, skip tracks, or long press for volume. Mode right there will change between the 3 modes, radio, Bluetooth, and USB. Has a USB port that you can plug in, a drive to play MP3s or audio files, and then Bluetooth, you can pair a device. Let's see. Short press mode to switch to Bluetooth mode, voice prompt Bluetooth, then turn on Bluetooth on your phone. So it automatically goes into pairing mode. K2 speaker is what it's called. So easy. Okay, let's take it over here and take a look. Like I said, we're going to test it on my XR650R because I have it sitting here and running, and I have just enough room on the handlebars for it. So this is not the bike it'll live on, but I think this will be fun for now. I ride this around town sometimes. So we're going to mount it right here. I got some room on the clamps, just enough that I'll be able to fit it. So let me get these loosened and lined up, and then I'll show you how I mounted it. Okay, so got it mounted on the bars. You pretty much have to loosen everything. It's very adjustable, but you need to like install the clamps on the bars first. So you can see I used one rubber shim. Get them clamped down, and then you remove the nut right here, and you want to loosen your pivot plate and these sides. So everything loose, you can get it adjusted and moved however you'd like, and then get it tightened down, tighten every piece, and that's it. So pretty easy. It takes a few minutes to get it all adjusted the way you like it, but not hard. And then I have my power wire routed for now like this. Like I said, I'll probably switch this to a different bike in a bit, so I'm not going to tie everything down super tight. And then I'm going to run my power line. I have to tie this up. I put a new battery charger plug here on the bike, but it's going to run up here. And I'm going to leave it underneath my tank bag so I can plug and unplug it right there. But like I said, you can also turn it on and off from here. So let me get it plugged in. Let's check it out. All right, so here we go. Have it plugged in. Like I said, I'm going to leave it under here for now, so it's easy for me to swap. But I got enough slack here to turn the bars just fine. Okay, so mounted on the bars. So let's turn it on. Hold the power button. All right, this thing will power up.
FM mode.
And it's in radio mode right now. So you can see, let's look at this first. There is the USB drive, comes with one already in there, and just plugs and unplugs. So pretty nice. You can just put it in your computer.
Play by USB drive.
Let me switch back to radio mode.
Bluetooth mode. FM mode.
So you can change your channels easily from here. And it auto seeks to stations that are strong enough. I assume it probably doesn't have a super powerful antenna in it, so let's see what it picks up around here.
It's just another banner day.
Okay. And then volume is press and hold on the left and right buttons. So there's 0, so that's a V, and then shows volume.
Remember, enjoy free admission and parking, free grilled lunch, and huge savings on every model and floor plan. That's over 175 new and used models.
Okay.
Your favorite RV brands all.
Play by USB drive.
So hit mode, changes to USB mode. And you can see you can hit left and right to cycle between songs. I can press mode again.
Bluetooth mode.
And then I could pair my phone in Bluetooth mode. So there we go. Very easy to use, super simple. Let's take it for a little spin and see how loud it is running it with the bike on. So one sec. And power off for a minute. Okay, so let's take a look on the bike. I'm on the Honda, I got it running. It's not a quiet bike. Not super loud, but I don't know what any of these songs are on the USB drive, but again, I don't want to have a copyright problem, so I'm trying to find something. So I've got it in gear, so let's ride around and see. Decent volume even at speed, but the helmet on may not be quite as loud, but geez, I can hear it just fine. Pretty cool. I'm gonna pause. So works great, fits great, super adaptable. Let me pull in here. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. Fits great, super adaptable to different bikes with the handlebar mounts. Tons of volume. That's not a problem. With a full face helmet on, I don't know. We'll see. But it's got more volume. Let's see what the max is. Okay, 16. So I was almost all the way up. I don't know, with the phone, it's kind of hard to pick up, but I can hear it clearly in front of me. So I don't think you're having trouble hearing it at all, especially, with a dirt bike helmet. Who knows? Maybe I'll even leave it on here. It's kind of cool. But I was thinking I'd put it on one of my Harleys for around town or something. But what I really like is the SAE plug. It's super easy to turn on and off. Make sure you turn it off so you don't kill your battery. But super easy to turn on and off. Just plugs in with that regular battery charger plug. And it's portable to different bikes in like a couple minutes just by adjusting the brackets. So anyways, I'm a big fan. Again, this was the KSPEAKER motorcycle Bluetooth radio and USB model. It's pretty cool. I am very stoked on this. So yeah, I'll have some fun with it. Thanks for checking it out. Hope you like it, and see you next time.